Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I am back from the Fluid Art Experience. I had a fantastic time. That was my first time teaching at the Fluid Art Experience. I have been there several times as a student, but never as a teacher. So this was a huge learning experience for me. I got to see a lot of my old friends, meet some new people, make some new friends. I am just so happy about it. My friend Elaine Burton, she won the raffle piece. Thank you for your patience. I didn't have the piece there at the Fluid Art Experience because, like a dummy, I forgot to ship it. It was sitting here in a box. So, Elaine, you should be getting it any day now. So today I'm just doing a video. Actually, I had this recorded right before I left. I just never got it edited in time. So this was a straight pour with a swipe using Cell Activator. So let's get down on the canvas to get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I've got a 20 by 24 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. So I poured this first, but the paints were way too thin. And so I've thickened them up. I've tilted off everything that's still running, and I'm gonna redo this. I do not like thin paints. So let's start off with a little bit of gold in the bottom. And why not? A little bit of white. All right. So this first color I'm going to be pouring is greenish blue. Then I am going to come in with some phthalo green. Some iridescent orange yellow. Some white. Some gold. This is like a greenish yellow. Like that. And we're going to come back in with some greenish blue. Layer some gold. Some of that bright orange. Some white. Some phthalo green. Yellowish green, a little bit of orange, and let's put a little white. A little hodgepodge of everything. We're gonna pour right here in the center. Now I'm going to experiment. I am going to put a swipe right through the center. All I'm going to do is pour a little bit here. All right, start on the edge of my pour, lightly touch, come right through this bad boy. Straight pour, swipe. It is selling pretty. All right. Let's do another one. Maybe just one more up there. Kind of just break up some of the line here in the center. Let's go off this side first. So I've got the greenish blue going straight from corner to corner. And then I've got the other colors blending in. It's definitely green, greener than I probably wanted, but that's okay. I'm going to clean up the edges and then I'll bring you guys in. All right, guys, here we are with the dried result. Very green painting. Check out that lacing, so cool. Look, guys, no snow. It's all gone. So happy. All right, everyone, that's the piece there. You got to see it outside. I did not get those wet results because I thought I was recording and apparently I didn't hit the record button. But you see what it looks like when it's dry. So thank you so much for watching. Next up is going to be Nate's Art Lab. So let's head over to Nate's channel. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a great rest of the weekend. Bye-bye.